This week on Tablet Tip Tuesday, I'm going to show you how to use the REGEXPEXTRACT and REGEXPEXTRACTNth. So the use case here is we only have our order date and we want to bring back the year that each of these order IDs were done. Now we could just use the split function, so if we go to transform, split, or custom split, that would be easier, but I want to show you this specific technique, so we're going to use regex. So I'm going to create a calculated field with my order ID in here. So we're just going to call this year of order ID regex. So if we look in our right hand side, and I search for regex, you can see there's many different regexes here, but we're just going to focus on these top two. So we're going to look at the regex extract, which if we type that in, regex extract, and you click on here, you get to see what's going on. So what we want to do is we want to look for that in that specific string here. So that is order ID. And what we want to do is we want to look for a dash, digits, 4 digits, and then a dash, and then bring that number back. So what we're going to do is just going to type a dash, and then anything inside a set of brackets is what it's going to extract and keep in your field. So we're just going to finish that off with a dash at the end. Speech marks. Now what we know it's numbers because it's a year. So if we go \d and then close this off with a close brackets, I'm going to show you what it does as I'm going through it. So if I hit apply, it's then gone to here. I'm just going to put it in here. So currently it is null because it can't find a single digit in between two hyphens. So if we add a plus on here, this should allow us to pull back those 4 digits in the middle. So if I hit OK, apply, you can see that we have our 2019 order date from our order ID. Now, if you wanted to extract the 2019 plus the order number, what you would need to do is you would need to put this inside the brackets. So we'd have a backslash dash to specifically recall looking for a backslash, and then a backslash d plus to bring back another set of numbers. So if I hit that, you'll then be able to see it's pulling back the year of order and the order ID. Now, what we're going to do as well is look at the REGEXPEXTRACT. So again, I'm going to create a new calculation and we're going to go REGEXPEXTRACTNth. So again, we're going to pull in order ID, but this time what we're going to do is we're going to do that same pattern that we did before. So we're going to just put a dash and then in bracket it's backslash d plus close bracket and then speech marks. So now this is unambiguous because we have a dash, a number, but then we have another one which is a dash and a number. Now if I return 1, what this is going to do is it should bring back the year of order date. So it's bringing back the 2019. Now if I do 2, this is going to bring back the actual order number. So I hit apply and it breaks. Because I've not told Tableau how to use it. So rereading the instructions down in the right hand side, we need to go backslash and then have another set of brackets in here. So backslash d plus close brackets. So now when I hit apply, this will then bring back that order number. Learning on the job. So as you can see over here, the example it gives you is anything in the string, and then it's giving you the actual formula of the string that it is. So A to Z is the ABC, more than 1 is a plus, backslash S is the space in between C and 1, and then you've got the bracket \d plus, and you want to return the second set of brackets, so you're returning the \d here. So that's the difference between those two regex functions. Now, if you want to know more about regex, I would definitely recommend you look it up in terms of these specific patterns that you need to do. That's all for this week. Thank you.